Aloha, thanks for tuning in. So today I want to talk about trust because I think this is one of the number one reasons that ultimately I connect with my clients and I get to serve them and work with them and empower them and teach them and support their businesses and growth. So trust is so important in business relationships. And I serve business to business. So I serve other business owners, right? I don't serve directly to the retail public. So the relationship is important. I respect and honor you as a business owner as I'm also a business owner, right? So communication, clear deliverables, clear expectations, all this is really good stuff. And communication is such an important part of building that relationship. So whoever you hire and put on your team, it is important that you really are able to communicate with them and trust them because it's going to be vulnerable and amazing as you go in this journey together in business supporting each other. So I just want to give you that tip.